You don't fail a dream build because you picked the wrong wheels. You fail it because you stayed the same person. The version of you that started the build is not the version that can finish it. I'm Johnny Ngo. I chased a couple of dream builds, some finished, some almost broke me. And the biggest lesson wasn't about the parts. It was about who I had to become to carry them. You think this is about money? It's not. You think it's about skills? Not really. You think it's about access, connections, sponsors? No. I started with none of that. It's about emotional capacity. Most people don't quit because they run out of funds. They quit because they run out of tolerance. Tolerance for slow progress, criticism, setbacks, doubt, waiting. A dream build stretches your nervous system. When your car is in pieces for 8 months, when the motor doesn't even fire, when the wiring makes 0 sense, when the sensors throw codes you can't decode, when money disappears faster than the progress shows. The question isn't, can you build it? The question is, can you regulate yourself long enough to finish it? That's different. There's a moment in every big build. The car is apart, the bills are stacking. People are asking, is it done yet? And your ego wants to react. Your impulse says, buy something flashy, post something dramatic, make it look like progress. But real builders learn something uncomfortable. Emotion is expensive. If you make decisions when you're frustrated, you'll throw away money. If you make decisions when you're insecure, you'll overbuild. If you make decisions when you're impatient, you'll cut corners. A dream build forces you to slow your reactions. It forces you to pause. It forces you to think in years instead of weekends. That's not a car lesson, that's a life lesson. You don't need to prove your build. You need to protect it. That's hard. Especially in today's world where everything is instant, everything is loud, everything is a comparison. But here's what nobody tells you. Comparison kills capacity. When you scroll and you see someone else's finished car, you feel behind, so you rush. You skip foundational steps. You jump straight to wide body, turbo, show level paint, without earning the actual structures underneath. But builds don't collapse because they aim too high. They collapse because the builder couldn't tolerate being unseen. Ego restraint means you can build something quietly and steadily. It means you can let someone else shine without needing to react. Before social media, builds were quiet. You didn't see every step, you saw the reveal. Now everything is instant. Everything is post it now. Everything feels behind. The art of building slowly, for the long run, is becoming rare. That's maturity. And maturity is horsepower people don't measure. This is the unsexy part. Maintenance, cleaning, reassembly, double checking torque specs, fixing wiring properly, doing the responsible thing. We've talked about this before, but here's a deeper layer. Discipline is identity, it's not motivation. Motivation gets you to tear a car apart. Discipline gets it back together. And here's a hard truth. Tearing down feels powerful. Reassembly feels tedious. But finished cars don't come from hype. They come from boring repetition. Torque, test, adjust, and repeat. If you can't tolerate boredom, you can't carry a dream build. A dream build doesn't start the day you buy the car. It starts the day you decide who you want to become. My Lotus took 6 months of physical work. But the process started years before I even owned it. The savings, the skill building, the sacrifices, the discipline, the planning. The car showed up at the end of a long internal process. You would change jobs, lose money, lose confidence, gain skills, get distracted, get refocused. The car waits. The question is whether you grow fast enough to meet it or whether you outgrow your impatience. Patience isn't passive, it's strategic waiting. It's knowing when to pause, when to save, knowing when to hold off on pain knowing when to say not yet. Patience protects the build from temporary emotions, and temporary emotions destroy permanent projects. Here's a twist. You think you're shaping the car, but the car is secretly shaping you. It teaches humility, restraint, planning, problem solving, emotional control, delayed gratification. A finished dream build isn't impressive because of the parts. It's impressive because of the restraint. That's why some cars feel different. You can sense it, you can feel it. They carry weight, not financial weight, not horsepower weight, but emotional weight. You can tell when someone's earned it. If you're in the middle of a build right now, and it feels heavier than you expected, that's not a sign you picked the wrong car. It's a sign the build is upgrading you. The version of you that started it doesn't have to be the version that finishes it. Dream builds just don't test your wallet, they test your character. You just have to become the one who can carry it. Next week, we're going to talk about how to protect your build when motivation fades. Because becoming the right person is one thing, staying that person is another. This is Tuner Playbook, a guide for dreamers to build something extraordinary. Let's go get it.